Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful study technique that can make your study sessions much more effective and efficient. This study technique involves mixing different topics or types of problems within a single study session, rather than focusing on just one subject at a time. This is different from traditional blocked practice, where you study one topic thoroughly before moving on to the next. Research shows that interleaving can significantly improve long-term retention and understanding. Let's explore how it works and why it's so effective. First, let's talk about how to use the interleaving technique. Step 1. Identify topics. Choose several related topics or types of problems that you need to study. For example, if you're studying math, you might select algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. Step 2. Create a schedule. Plan your study sessions to include time blocks for each topic. Instead of spending an entire session on one topic, divide your time among different topics. For instance, in a 2-hour study session, you might spend 30 minutes on each of 4 topics. Step 3. Mix it up. Within each time block, vary the types of problems or subtopics you practice. Avoid doing the same type of problem repeatedly. Instead, mix different problem types. Step 4. Review regularly. Regularly revisit topics you've studied previously, ensuring that you continually mix old and new material. Now, why is interleaving so effective? First, improved retention. Interleaving forces your brain to continually retrieve information from memory, strengthening neural connections and improving long-term retention. Second, better problem-solving skills. Mixing different types of problems helps you learn to distinguish between problem types and apply the right strategies for solving them. This makes you more adaptable and better prepared for exams. Third, enhanced understanding. By switching between topics, you can better understand the relationships and differences between them, leading to a deeper understanding of the material. Fourth, preventing overconfidence. Blocked practice can create a false sense of mastery as you become proficient at one type of problem through repetition. Interleaving helps prevent this by continually challenging your understanding and memory. Let's see an example of interleaving in practice. Suppose you are preparing for a biology exam covering cell biology, genetics, and evolution. Instead of studying each topic separately in long blocks, you would spend 20 minutes on cell biology, focusing on different aspects like cell structure, function, and division. Then, switch to 20 minutes on genetics, covering inheritance patterns, DNA structure, and mutations. Follow this with 20 minutes on evolution, discussing natural selection, adaptation, and speciation. Repeat this cycle, mixing up the specific subtopics within each area during each rotation. Here are some tips for successful interleaving. Plan ahead. Schedule your study sessions to include multiple topics and stick to the plan. Stay organized. Keep track of what you've studied and what you need to revisit. Be patient. Interleaving might feel more challenging initially, but the increased effort leads to better learning outcomes. By incorporating the interleaving technique into your study routine, you can make your study sessions more effective, leading to better retention, understanding, and application of the material. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe for more study tips and techniques. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy studying, stay curious, and keep learning.